Here's how to make a motion texture text effect. Step 1. Create a text video. Go on to InShot and create a blank clip. Press Canvas and select black as your background color. Extend the clip to your desired duration. Now add a text in a font of your choice. Then go ahead and save this text video. Step 2. Add animation and motion texture. Import the text video you just saved. Press Animation to add a sleek introduction to your text video. Then add the texture video from the Materials library. Head on over to Transitions and select the texture video. Press Autofill to fit to screen. Then tap Blend and select the Multiply effect. And voila, you have a motion texture text for your next video project. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.